hapon mga Katibol Vlogs. Welcome sa ating bus check for the second portion ngayong araw ng April 24, 2024 2:20 in the afternoon. So, gagamitin natin para sa second portion nating bus ngayon ay si bus number 5711 with registration plate number NQY769 which will expire on August 9, 2024. So, okay, all good. Check na natin. Oh, all damage. Right. Tires are all good. Adjusters are all in place. And let's go. Okay. Yan, may all damage. Tires are all good. Adjusters are all good. Fender is napingawan. Okay. All good. Stairs are all good. Okay, all damage. And all damage. That's a damage. Fender is damaged. Adjusters all in place. Okay. Okay. Okay naman. Okay naman. Okay, medyo marami lang dahil ginamit sa biyahe. So, that's all folks. Alam!